Markus, thanks very much for joining us. Obviously, there are Arnold Investments. You're looking across Europe, but also representing different sources of capital. It would be interesting just to see in terms of the market, because obviously we've seen geopolitics and the war in Ukraine. Has that made a change in terms of investment and in terms of the types of investors who are looking at I suppose, CEE, Middle Europe versus Western Europe, let's say?
Of course, we do. Yeah, that I can briefly say. What happened before was that institutional investors were, with the structure they have, a lot quicker in their due diligence processes and in their decisions. With the increase of interest rates, we now have the situation that the family funds, the family offices, the high net worth individuals are the ones that can participate in the market on the same level of speed as institutionals can. So they have the appetite because they understand that now they can acquire the buildings that they were basically not able to acquire because of their missing structure. So the money that the equity that is on the market right now should cover the loan money, the lended money that we've been dealing with in the last years. And I think that there is, of course, a difference between Eastern Europe, Middle Europe, and Western Europe. In Eastern Europe, the people with money do buy now anything that they have a good feeling with location-wise. And never forget that these people do think in generations. That is something that you don't do as an institutional investor. So their appetite now is quite high, knowing that they are able to acquire real good quality properties.
You mentioned their financing. What's the situation at the moment in financing? Because of course there's been a significant increase in interest rates.
Eastern countries, we see a drastic change. Banks do emphasize their clients to take their loans in euros to avoid the high interest rates of their currencies or their national banks. That is something that we've not had, that we never had before. So the new situation for us. I would say the equity is the most important topic right now. People who are in the lucky situation to have dry powder of equity, of cash, because they are able to move quick. And that is something that the markets, of course, want right now, because everybody's kind of requiring patience, looking forward to what's going to happen. So if you know what you want to buy, if you have the money, the equity on your account, then you get the best quality of properties right now.
Great, really interesting to see those changes in the market happening there. Thanks very much for joining us, Markus.
Thank you.